Let's begin by adding a new lead. Using the inbuilt visiting card scanner, you can literally scan the visiting card and all the data of the customer is pulled into the system. Using the customized inquiry form, you can create your own custom inquiry form with the details of your products, your services. You can take down notes. You can add all the different aspects right from the lead status to any additional notes if you need to take down. Plus, you can also take the picture of the notes if you have noted down or the inquiry form if you have taken it from somewhere. Click on submit and the data is loaded into the system. You can know the details of the lead that we have just recently captured under the lead section, whereas you can see the personal details as well as the details of the inquiry form. You no more have to check any Excel sheet or a CRM, but all the details of the lead right from its inquiry to what it needs, everything is in your hands. To call, just click on the call icon, choose the number and the call is placed. The beautiful part is while the call is going on, you can also take down the status of the lead, such as in what state it is. You can note the call status, the call that happened, and also take down the notes of discussion, whether it was about sending an email or a meeting request. You can also set a call reminder for a callback or for a meeting reminder. Whatever notes that you have added can be seen under the section of previous notes, so that next time the call reminder pops up, you no more have to worry about what was the previous discussion. You can also see these notes under the customer story. To send an email, choose the email icon, choose the various templates that you can add from the LeadCon platform, choose the email ID, and you can see a personalized email has been created and added, which also has got an attachment. So you can also add your brochures and catalogs just at a click of a button. Just press on send and your mail is delivered to the customer. To connect with the customer over SMS, choose the SMS icon, choose the template from all the different templates that you might have created, choose the number, and the SMS is in front of you with respect to all the different parameters. Just press on send and it's on its way. To connect with the customer over WhatsApp, choose the WhatsApp icon, choose the template that you wish to send to the customer. You can add n number of templates. Choose the number, and here it is, a complete message which is again personalized with all different details in WhatsApp without adding the number, and you can simply send. You can also connect with the customer over social media, send meeting invites, go for meetings or attend meetings online, share your marketing collaterals such as brochures, catalogs, videos, audios. You can also send quotations and invoices. And you can also set Auto Connect, an auto follow-up system designed only in LeadCon. As you can see, LeadCon is not just a CRM but a complete sales companion tool, ensuring that each and every sales team member is empowered with this sales partner. The beautiful part is that LeadCon is a zero reporting tool. So you no more have to call your sales team members for the report, whereas you can check all the reports real time using the LeadCon Managers app. To know more about all the different features, visit leadcon.co and check out the 70 plus features that we have to offer. Thank you so much for watching the demo, and I look forward to adding LeadCon Sales Companion to your organization. Thank you.